From now on, no enemies allowed into this house, do you understand or not?
Yes, Dad, I understand.
And you?
Okay, I understand.
And if I hear or feel that Indomie has entered this house, I will make Indomie.
He will make us Indomie? Fine, I promise. I won't bring Indomie anymore, and if our daughter brings any, I'll tell you.
Fine.
Indomie? Mom, please don't tell Dad. Give me half the Indomie. Mom, how can I give you half? It's barely enough for me. Then I'm gonna tell your father. Wait, Mom. Swear that you won't tell Dad or even mention it to him. I swear by God Almighty that I won't tell your father. Yeah, I won't share an Indomie with you. Then I'm going to tell your father. But you swore. Yeah.
My daughter.
Don't forget you swore. I wanna see Dad. Yes, Dad?
Where were you?
Dad, I was walking in the neighborhood. Is something wrong?
No, never mind. Go to your room.
Okay, Dad. Wait!